Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And then thanks for the subscribers that I've got so far, and then like it really helps me a lot. So yeah, just keep on subscribing. I mean, it's up to you, okay? I mean, it's up to you if you want to subscribe or not. You have your choice, okay? So yeah, that's all. And just watch the video, and then I don't know, man, just see something. Got the TV over there. Yeah. What the? Probably. Ito.
Yung talaga nasa sahig pang pinuha eh.
Yes.
Ilang ito?
But I mean, it's not even that heavy. Yeah. At least hindi naman opened. And then, yeah. No. Nah. Yo guys, look at that. It's orange.
Kita.
Oh yeah.
O yung ito na lang, yung ganito na lang.
Alright, let's go back.
Mula yun na. Ayan, kita. Hindi na. Go for the ball. 150.
It'll be ready. With the flower stone. Some milk. Yo bro, they're almost all empty. Damn, bro, I might see something like this. You know, back used to be so full. Probably they're just all the same, and then like, yeah. They got the cheese dogs. Yeah.
Bili na ako kahapon.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Royal. Bro, why is there a blank cart in here? Like, what? Yeah, someone must have just kind of left it there. Yeah. I. Let's go over here. Guys, I'm not actually a fan of ice cream, but yeah, sometimes I just eat a little bit. Because yeah, if I eat a lot of them, especially if they're cold, sometimes I cough a lot. And like, 'cause yeah, now I got asthma. But yeah, that's fine. Alright.
Kapit pala.
God bless America. And then sorry guys if I'm not making a lot of videos because yeah, I've been real busy. 'Cause yeah, you know guys, I got school. So like on the summer days, you know, kind of wish it was summer right now, so I can like provide on my channel. But yeah. Yeah. So yeah, see you guys in the next video.